2025. And our second runner-up and Mr. Cosmopolitan Pilipinas 2025 is Mr. Laguna! Congratulations to our Mr. Pilipinas Cosmopolitan 2025, Mr. Laguna. We will be supporting you in your next journey. And now we move on, ladies and gentlemen, and we move on to our first runner-up, who also carries the title of Mr. Pilipinas Man of the Year 2025. And our Mr. Pilipinas Man of the Year 2025 is Mr. Cebu City. Congratulations once again to our Mr. Pilipinas Man of the Year 2025 from Cebu City. Up next, one of our newest titles. Who shall take home the title of Mr. Pilipinas Eco International 2025? Let's find out. Our Mr. Pilipinas Eco International 2025 is Mr. San Juan. Supermodel Philippines 2025 is Mr. Pampanga. Once again, congratulations to our Manhunt International Male Supermodel Philippines 2025. Supranational 2025, and the title of Mr. Pilipinas Supranational 2025 goes to Mr. Dumaguete City. Beaming with joy and pride, congratulations once again to our Mr. Pilipinas Supranational 2025. And now we are down to our final two. Both have shown exceptional strength, heart, and purpose throughout this journey. And now they're about to receive two of the most coveted titles of the night. Let's begin by announcing our Mr. Pilipinas International 2025. And our Mr. Pilipinas International 2025 is